Put the place up. Put my face up.
5 o'clock somewhere. What is up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the Dominican Republic. All right, so we are currently waiting on our room service breakfast to be delivered. After we eat breakfast, we're gonna head to the beach. Now, I do want to let you guys know that we're not actually going on any excursions while we're here. Why? Well, because the last 2 trips we've been on, which would be New York City, Pittsburgh, Atlantic City, Europe, all of those trips were jam-packed, non-stop, boom, 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 go see everything you can.
Shout, 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 shout. Are you drunk, Holly? One drink will make you drunk. One drink will make you lit.
Automatically hammered.
We have so much food. All right, we banged out breakfast. Now where are we going, Holly?
We're on the lazy river, I guess.
She's so enthusiastic. Not gonna take the main camera, I'm gonna take a GoPro instead, because I don't want to leave this laying around the resort. They have a flow rider. In my inner tube bubble. I have no idea where I'm going next, but things are getting hellacious in this lazy river. It's very dangerous out here. Now we drink. Do this. All right, we're back in the room now. Came in here to primarily get this camera, get my camera bag, and to go out to the beach. Had a great time in the lazy river. That is a very nice lazy river. We definitely enjoyed that. What are you doing? And now we're gonna hit the ocean because why not? And we also gotta eat. Time to get in the ocean. And here we are, we're back at the room. I've changed. Check out my digs. I don't think that's the right word. Holly wants you to see herself. She looks stunning as always. All right, we are headed to the Hunter now, which is a steakhouse at the resort. We have reservations for 6:30. It's currently 6:27. Today has been a good day. We just went down the lazy river. You know, it was very chill day. Oh, we did end up picking up some cigars. I didn't shoot video of that, but we did get some cigars. So we'll probably smoke some of those. Smoke some stogies. And drink Holly's Sky vodka that she got.
What do you, sir? I like you. You got time to look my table, puppy? No, I'm going to eat.
Just getting prepared for dinner here. How was dinner, Holly?
Good.
I had a New York strip steak. Mine was excellent. Would definitely order again. Very juicy. All right, we are back in the room. Welcome back, ladies and gents. All right, guys. Maybe there might be a little bit of drama here at the resort. That is a paramedic golf cart.
Hey, the last time we hung out on a balcony, we saw a guy get loaded into an ambulance in Paris.
Smoking kills, ladies and gentlemen. Do not smoke. But when in Rome.
All things in moderation.
Yeah. So we picked up. We finally, like I told you earlier, we finally picked up these little cigars because we smelt them on the beach and they smelled
Fantastic.
amazing.
There
Look,
they come, there they come back.
here they come. We got a 10-4, but obviously we'll never know how that story ends. So there's that. All right, guys, it is time to say goodbye for the night. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, I'll see you in the next one.
Put the place up. Put my face up.